Hello everybody. Solar cells. Ha. Nice ones. They're pretty cheap on Amazon these days, and what can go wrong? Well, it turns out quite a lot. I bought these solar cells and another one that I just can't find right now for 12 euros a piece on Amazon. And well, they're not made to be out in the sun. Never had anything like this happen before. These solar cells, when they get warm, they warp really bad because the expansion coefficient from the top plastic to the bottom plastic is significantly different. So this thing has gone all kittywampus and it doesn't work anymore. Because although they are rated to be slightly flexible, they're not. The cells crack. So this thing's been in the sun for about 8 weeks. I had it on an aluminium frame. I had it in the sun, and it worked until it just didn't work anymore. So the voltage kept dropping all the time, and it wouldn't charge my circuits, and it just went dead. And I had this other one lying around that I hadn't put anywhere yet, and I just placed that one in the sun, and it just started bending like crazy. I don't know what's up with this. I tried to talk to the seller who sold me these, and well, he's gone. He's got another shop, but he's pretty confident that he didn't sell me anything. So if you see these cells and you can identify them by having no frame, being plastic, front and back, they have, the rest of them, it seems to be really good quality. They are rated 5.5 volt, and they're supposed to give out about 500 milliamps, which I would say that they should be giving out more. And well, if you see any of these, stay clear. They're junk. They're basically self-destructing solar cells. And it's nothing more. If you need something like this for inside where it doesn't get really warm, it's probably going to work out. Maybe you can use it, I don't know, to charge up a phone or anything, but make sure not to put them where they get hot, because these things deform until they crack the cells, and then they're worthless, broken, kaput. Yeah, real short video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.